Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to manage notifications for investment changes on Bright. Do you want to stay updated every time your portfolio moves? Well, here's how to manage investment change notifications in Bright. Start by opening the Bright app and tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner. And then go to Settings and tap Notifications. Now you're going to select Investment Alerts. You're going to see options like Price Movement Alerts, Trade Confirmations Alerts, Dividend Payouts Alerts, and Portfolio Performance Summaries. Toggle each one on and off based on exactly what you want to be notified about. You can also set thresholds like being alerted when an asset moves more than 5% in a day. You can also customize how often you get these alerts, whether it's real-time, daily, or weekly summaries. You'll never miss out an important shift in your investment activities once you have these alerts set up. Like, share, subscribe for more bright tips to keep your money working for you.